In this video, we are going to see what is the electric field due to an electric dipole at points on the axial line. It is in plus 2 physics electrostatics lesson. Let us consider a dipole minus q and plus q. They are at A and B. The center of the dipole is O and the dipole is separated by a distance 2a. From the origin to plus q is A and from the origin to minus q is another a. So the distance between the dipole is 2a. Let us consider a point C and it is at a distance r from O. So due to this plus q, a field is being created. We know that the field due to plus 2 is always outwards, and so on the axial line we are seeing the field direction to be this, right? From B to C. The direction of field is from B to C. So a field will be also induced due to this minus q, and the field due to minus q will be in the direction of C to A. C to A, because the field for minus q is always towards minus. We know that, isn't it? So the field due to minus q will be in the direction of C to A. A dipole moment is being created due to this dipole, always from minus q to plus q. It is in the direction of E plus, right? This is an important 5 marks question asked in annual exams. So understand the concept carefully, right? First of all, we have to draw the picture. Then we have to give the picture explanation. Picture explanation could be simple like this. AB, electric dipole. 2A, distance between charges. R, distance between O and C. Vector E, electric field. Vector P, dipole moment. This is enough, right? Now we must see what is the electric field induced due to the charges plus q and minus q. We know that the electric field is 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q by r square into the unit vector of the dipole moment. Now we have to see what is the electric field due to the plus q. E at C due to plus q, that will be E plus, and that is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q by r minus a the whole square into p vector. This electric field will be along the direction BC, because we know that a positive charge will produce a field which will point outward, and so this will be in the direction of E plus. Why have we written r minus a the whole square instead of r square? We need the distance BC, right? But r will be O to C, and BC we can get by OC minus OB. So R minus A. So it is R minus A the whole square. And E plus is along BC. It is in this direction, BC. What will be E at C due to minus Q? That will be E minus. And the value is 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q by R plus A the whole square. Why do we write R plus A the whole square? Because the distance is AC. And this is R and this is A. So AC will be OC plus OA. And so it is R plus A the whole square. And see the direction of electric dipole moment will be opposite to that of E plus. And so we write minus P minus unit vector of P. And the direction of electric field will be along CA. Direction will be along CA. So, what will be the total electric field? By the superposition principle of electric field, we can write it as E total is equal to E plus E minus. Substituting the value for E plus and E minus, we get E total is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q by r minus a the whole square into p vector minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q by r plus a the whole square into unit vector of p. Here q by 4 pi epsilon 0 is common, and so we take it out, q by 4 pi epsilon 0, and within the bracket we have 1 by r minus a the whole square minus 1 by r plus a the whole square into unit vector of p. We can take the LCM. For that we have r minus a the whole square into r plus a the whole square in the denominator, and in the numerator r plus a the whole square minus r minus a the whole square. We expand r plus a the whole square as r square plus a square plus 2ra, and we expand r minus a the whole square as r square plus a square minus 2ra. So we can cancel r square and minus r square, a square and minus a square. Here we have 2ra, and here we have another 2ra. Minus and minus gets plus. So we get q by 4 pi epsilon 0 2ra plus 2ra, that is 4ra, divided by r square minus a square the whole square into p vector. When r is very much greater than a, that is, the distance of observation of electric field is very much greater than the distance between the charges, we say that r is very much greater than a. We know that distance between the charges may be in some nanometers, right? 10 power minus 9. Distance where we are finding the electric field may be in some millimeters maybe. So, we have drastic difference. Since a power 4 is in the denominator, it will be very small, and so a power 4 could be neglected. And so we have the denominator r power 4 only. Also, 2aq into unit vector of p is p vector. We have already seen. And so, here we have 4. 4 could be split into 2 into 2. So, 2 into q into a will be vector p. And so, we have 2 p vector into r divided by r power 4. Here the r and r power 4 gets cancelled, and so we get r cube. So E total will be 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 to p divided by r cube into unit vector of p. E total is the total value of electric field, and so E total is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 to p divided by r cube into unit vector of p. E total is along E plus because plus q is closer to C than minus q. Plus q is closer to C than minus q. And so E total will be along E plus. And we know that dipole moment is from minus q to plus q. And so the direction of dipole moment is along AB, or from plus minus q to plus q, or along the direction of E plus itself. While answering this question, See, you need not write this red color equations because it's not needed. It is just for understanding. This is a 5 marks question, and easily you can score 5 marks out of this. Okay. In this video, we have seen what is the electric field due to a dipole on its axial line. I hope you have understood very well.